Thank you for watching. This video is about loving your current job. If you truly want to make more money and you already have a job, your goal should be to love your current job. Most of the successful entrepreneurs started out with a job. How you look at your current job will determine your future. If you see the potential in your current job and do it with love, the rewards are enormous. Your current job has enormous potential. Your current job will provide you the financial stability needed to become an entrepreneur. If you are a mom like me who is raising children while working a full-time job, you can still become an entrepreneur. You can find 30 minutes every day to work on your side hustle or future business while devoting the majority of your time to raising your children and doing your current job well. There's something called compounding, which allows you to save a certain percent of your current salary while working on future goals. There's a video by Tony Robbins which encouraged me to start saving more. How you look at your current job will determine your future. If you think of your current job as having enormous potential and start thinking positive about it, then you'll get more ideas on how to perform your job better. You'll earn more, and you'll have the financial stability needed to reach your future goals. It all begins with a decision. The decision to look at your current job positively. The decision to do your current job with love. The decision to realize that your current job has enormous potential. The decision to say, I must love my current job. I know there are people you're working with that you don't particularly admire. I know you may not like what you do every single day. But your current job will provide you the necessary training, the necessary self-discipline, the financial stability you need to become a successful entrepreneur. If you learn to be happy with your current job and in your current state, then you'll be happier when you become an entrepreneur. One thing you must first do is start thinking positively about your current job. Start saying, I like my job. You don't have to say, I love it. Just start saying, I like my job. And when you go to work every single day, your goal should be to give it your all. Pretend your current job is your business. Pretend you own this business. How would you go into work every single day if you were the owner of this company? Your perspective would be a lot different, right? So pretend you're the owner. Take ownership of your current job. Do it with love. Know that you are valued. Know that you are important. Otherwise, someone will not be paying you to be there every single day. Get yourself in a positive mode every single day when you wake up before going to work. And things will start to change. Your current job has enormous potential, and you must see it that way. It will take some retraining. It will take some affirmations, positive affirmations about your current job every single day to achieve this goal. I encourage the moms out there to start thinking positively about their current jobs. Picture yourself becoming an entrepreneur, the entrepreneur of your dreams, and living the life of your dreams, but using your current job to fulfill that dream. And it will happen. Whatever we focus on will manifest. Anything you want in this life, you will have. But you have to focus on it. So our goal for this week is to start liking our current jobs with the hope of loving them. See the potential in your current job. Do it with love. Pretend you're the owner of the company and take ownership for what you do. And visualize your future, the entrepreneur you want to become, the life you want to live, using your future, using your current job to fulfill those dreams. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit the bell notification so you get new videos when I make them each week. And until then, have a great day. God bless.